So this is the problem. I sent this camera in twice already. They sent the note back and said it is working. I stick this cord in, and as you can see, reinsert. Okay, I took it out, flip it over, put it in, because I usually can just put it in, it flips in. So I get the little thing, it clicks, and what does it say? Well, wait a minute. It's actually working. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, nope. Insert memory card. Okay. Insert memory card. So, again, it's not detecting the memory card. I've put it in both ways. Again, reinsert memory card no matter what I do. That's it. I'm going to send this to them.